Hi guys, good morning. What I have here is Renault Koleos 2021. This is reset this spanner. Yeah, how to reset this one is this toggle. As you can see, this one up and down. Yeah, up and down. Yeah, and go for service interval. Then press OK. Just long press this one, guys. I think it takes 30 seconds only. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, it's already changed. Just keep pressing, yeah, until it's blinking. Yeah, as you can see, that one, it's already changed to 30,000. And then yeah, the spanner is already gone. And that's how to reset your Renault Koleos 2021. Mind you guys, just ignition on only, because if you start the car you cannot browse this service interval. Just only ignition on only. I hope it can help to you guys. This is only basic, but I want to share only. Thank you. God bless.